vlog the food. Okay, so this is mac and Cheetos. Never tried it before, but I think it's gonna be good. Mangoes.
Dumplings.
What is this? Apples and cinnamon?
Hooray.
Cinnamon.
Thank you. Put them on here.
Ground beef and rice. And dumplings. Ooh, what is this, Trixie?
Leftover ramen.
Oh, leftover ramen. Fire. Fire.
Fire.
Do you guys know what a mukbang is?
Yeah. Like a video where you're eating
Just eating? Is that what we're doing here?
Is that what's going on?
I think so. I think that's what it's
It
from.
reminds me of my lunch.
Is it this? Okay.
No.
Question and answer, everyone. As if I'm reading questions on my phone. I asked my Twitter followers.
How many responses did you get?
Ask me questions, guys.
I got like 300 questions.
Damn, girl.
in my
Hashtag
inbox.
ask Krissy.
So, yeah, we're just trying to, you know, answer as many as we can here. So, first question,
Where did we meet?
right. Where did we meet?
Probably at Tita Nana's house.
Probably. I met Trixie at my
At John's
sister's
Sweat, probably.
at the dance.
At the dance.
At the dance.
That was someone's date.
Oh.
Aw, why did I never meet you in Sweat?
I thought you never went to dances.
I didn't.
I met my sister in the womb, when she was in the womb.
In the womb.
You
Because
shared
we're
a
both
womb.
in the womb.
I know, I was kind of confused. Like,
The first time I met Cheska was probably... Did I go to the Philippines? Oh, when I was 5.
Really?
That was another time that I went to the Philippines.
Okay.
Dang.
and then 2009.
Yeah. Yeah, and then in 2009.
Oh, this is
Okay.
this is my
It counts as one.
Yeah.
You should just eat it.
I met Kat and Krissy in 2009 too. It was in Tanawan, I think, our ancestral house. And I met Trixie last weekend.
At Bella's place.
Yeah.
When did you meet Jess?
Oh, they're
We
all-
grew up together. We did. Yeah, I would remember me, Jess, and Isha would play Powerpuff Girls, and then when we were leaving for stage. Did you hear us?
She could hella hear us. She could hear us.
Yeah.
Oh.
I remember
Well,
Jess
situation.
crying when they were gonna leave
Soup
me.
dumpling.
Right.
Oh yeah, when
But
they
they
moved back
probably-
to the U.S.
Yeah.
I wasn't ready. I was sad.
Right.
Okay, next question. Oh, sorry, let me look at my Twitter.
I like both of these so far.
What is your
Right?
favorite Disney movie?
That's a hard
That's
one.
hard.
Yeah.
There's so many good ones now.
Oh, I was gonna say mine used to be The Little Mermaid.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's the worst movie ever.
I don't know why. Why it was. I was just into it for a minute. Specifically
Sure.
Little
Anything
Mermaid 2.
Yeah, I guess so.
Mine is Mulan. It's
Don't they like to
Disney,
hear?
right?
Yeah.
Do you all want to hear her crunching?
ASMR.
Pickle ASMR.
I like Wally.
Oh, well.
That's a good one.
Newer ones, right?
I like The Princess and the Frog. Because Princess Tiana's all like, I don't need no man, I'm gonna open up my own business.
I'm just gonna.
She's very motivated.
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say I like Mulan because she saved China.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she's pretty cool too.
Powerful women.
Oh, I like Lion King.
That's a good one.
Lion King's a good one.
Yeah.
Took a lot of muscle power. Do you want to eat with us?
We're doing a mukbang Q&A.
Huh?
We're doing a mukbang Q&A.
What's that?
Do you know what a mukbang is, Belle?
Nope.
It's when you eat in front of the camera. And apples. Or mac and Cheetos.
Oh no, she
I still want my broth.
Okay, continuing on with the Q&A. Next question is.
She got 300 responses.
Yeah, I got
on her
300 responses on my Twitter.
You're
followers.
really on
No
Twitter
way.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Einstein.
Einstein.
Jokeway reference. So, what do you say? I think you owe me money.
Hold on.
I'm gonna take a Pepsi card.
Yeah, go
Ooh,
ahead.
me.
Everyone, take a Pepsi.
This is huge. Am I like out of it? I've never seen these big bad boys. There you go.
Let
Pepsis.
focus.
Pepsi
Complete.
Actually. Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Yet.
Yeah.
So it says here that it's supposed to relieve heartburn associated with acid indigestion and sour stomach.
I'll be the judge of that.
Yeah, we'll
AKA.
update you later. It's currently, oh shit, I don't have it.
Does it melt in your
11:28.
mouth? It tastes pretty good.
It's probably a tablet.
That's
what I have.
It tastes minty fresh.
Oh, it does it?
Yeah, it's like a mint almost.
I've never taken Pepsi before. What am I gonna? What should I expect? Like
Nothing.
you're right, it's Pepsi. You said it melts in
It's
your
supposed to cure things,
Prevent.
not make you feel things.
People. Come here, big girl.
Okay, next question is, what is everyone's dream job?
Oh.
That's a deep question.
That's a very deep question.
Yeah, for right now.
What was the question?
What's everyone's dream job?
I'm currently going through a quarter life crisis, so I don't.
No one can see you in the.
I'm currently going through a quarter life crisis right now, so I can't answer that. I'm sorry.
I feel it now.
Okay, let's start with Karen.
My dream job is,
Incredibly talented, Scottish, ginger,
I don't know,
beautiful.
You don't know.
be happy,
My dream
content
job.
with myself.
Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Amen. May the Lord be with you. Cheska.
Mine is to be a mom.
Aww.
Oh, what am I
Yeah.
doing? This isn't even open.
Cheers to that.
Dang, now I feel bad for not saying anything. I just want to be a good dog mom. Oh, I want to have 3 dogs, so I know it's not part of the question.
Wow. That's
my
a
goal.
dream.
That is a dream.
Fair.
I want
the
1
dream.
big dog and 2 small ones, or 2 big ones and 1 small one.
I want a small, medium, and large. Medium.
Shmeejum.
Trixie.
Dream job, huh?
You're using chopsticks backwards, you know that?
This is the big inside.
Oh, okay.
I respect
That's so
cats.
considerate of you.
I'll keep you around.
Hi, do you smell my
What
goo?
about you, Gato? Wait, Trixie, you didn't even answer the question.
Right.
Oh, I said
Yeah.
paid to eat.
Oh.
Dream
Can I pick
job.
her up?
Oh, an ice cream taster.
Ooh.
I've always wanted to be an ice cream taster.
Speaking of.
Chrissy, will she bark
Ice
at me
cream
if I
taste
pick her
test?
up?
No.
I did that to
Are
her.
you healthy?
Halo Top non-dairy.
What do you want to try?
Halo top?
Non-dairy?
Non-dairy.
What is
Whoa.
this?
Try
Maple?
caramel macchiato?
She's very cute.
Yeah. We're in the same height.
Okay, Gato.
I don't know.
Gato, here.
Oh, I have a Pepsi in my mouth.
Ew, okay. Too late.
You still?
Can I look at the nutrition
Right.
facts on that?
Well,
Yeah.
I waited because I was like, how do I eat this? And I realized you just melt.
I chewed it up because I was impatient.
Did you see what we did to
Oh.
Maple when we showed her to the camera?
What'd you do? You had to make sure it focuses on him. Okay, Gato, are you done now?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay.
Let me at him.
Taste test, sea salt caramel.
Oh, sorry guys, I couldn't bring a bottle because
The enemy took it.
Germ took it.
Okay.
What? You can imagine how pissed I was.
Wait,
He's at his friend's birthday
It's
barbecue.
barbecue.
So
Oh.
we're doing our own thing tonight.
Is it
He took
caramel
your bottle?
I'm gonna have more fun than him.
Macchiato?
Yeah, this is my bottle.
Ooh.
My
I have sake.
bottle.
Texture-wise,
Pre-game?
I'm with it.
Halo
Flavor
top.
profile, on point.
This is the drink I'm obsessed with currently. It's Harmless Harvest. It's about $5 and not worth it, but it tastes so good.
It's hella expensive.
Hella expensive.
And the big ones are like $8, $9.
$10.
Oh.
Drinking it. I don't even care. I'm like, Jeremy, buy it.
Which isn't bad.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I feel like it
you
helps
try it,
me a
Gato?
lot.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I know what this
Oh, this
one
is the same one I had.
Oh, he
earlier.
bought this for me and I didn't even have it on my list. Oh. I just realized that.
Brownie points.
Brownie points.
Okay, that's enough now. Okay, you're gonna finish my ice cream.
I didn't mean to keep holding it as I have nowhere else. Did anyone else want it?
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
You like the caramel macchiato better?
Are they all coconut milk based?
I don't know.
I will buy
I didn't check.
Can you focus at least once for me?
So
Should I perhaps do it? Fuck you, man. Sorry. Sorry,
I also
camera.
have dark chocolate covered banana slices, cookie butter ice cream.
Wow. You're like
You have all the good stuff.
ice cream queen.
Options.
Ice cream.
Oh my god.
Oh, yes, I have banana chips.
the ideal host.
You are the best.
I know.
You should be the mom.
You accommodate healthy stuff. You accommodate greasy stuff.
Ready.
Dang.
All the stuffs, yeah.
Right. I'm perplexed. Like
Perplexed.
I'm just